Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to go and navigate a new city. Firstly, know which way is up. Identify major landmarks or natural features that indicate direction. For example, in Toronto, Lake Ontario is south and the CN Tower is near the lake. Face the landmark to determine orientation and learn, measure, dive in streets and areas to quickly orient yourself. Secondly, use your phone's compass. While existing subways or areas with multiple streets, open your compass app. Recalibrate the compass to understand the cardinal directions and use the compass in combination with landmarks to orient yourself. Just remember, this tutorial is trying to get you not to use Google Maps. Of course, if you use it, it's gonna be easier. But thirdly, look for city center signs. Many European cities have signs pointing to the city center, often written as Centrum, Centro, Centar, or just follow these signs to orient yourself toward the main landmarks and hubs. And before arriving, learn how and where to buy transit access. Check for a transit app and download it for offline use, and study in the transit map and on buses sit near the driver for guidance on stops and directions. Also, use landmarks, compass directions, and transit knowledge together. Gradually, you'll develop a mental map of the city and a natural sense of direction, and over time, you'll rely less on apps and more on observation. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.